and welcome to my review of the Merrimen 6-pack packaging tape that I recently bought from Amazon. So I actually was looking for some stronger parcel tape because I've just started an FBA business on Amazon and wanted to make sure that nothing came out of the packages once it got there, because there were some quite heavy items. So this was recommended to me and I'm really impressed with it. I normally buy quite cheap parcel tape, to be honest, for just like sending, perhaps if I'm selling something on another platform that I've found in my house and I don't want anymore. But this is quite a very reasonable price for a 6-pack, and it is much stronger than the other ones that I've had, and it is really sticky. So I don't know if you do the same thing, but I always cut a bit off to hold where I am, so it saves me trying to pull up at it when I need it. But I've only had to use the one strip over the box to fasten the box, whereas normally I'd go round and round a couple of times, which is obviously a false economy. If you're using cheap tape anyway, you might as well buy something a bit better and have to use less of it. So all in all, I was very impressed with this. So if you want some quality tape at a quite reasonable price, I would recommend you get this one. So thanks very much for joining me. See you again.